Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have announced their third signing of this transfer window, with Adolf Mtasingwa Bitegeko from Tanzanian giant Azam FC for an undisclosed fee. Bitegeko, who's 27 years old, becomes Kaizer Chiefs' third signing under new head coach Fernando da Cruz, after signing Thabo Moloisane and Ronaldo Lena on free transfers. Amakhosi confirms his arrival on Tuesday, with Bitegeko becoming the first Tanzanian player to join the club. Here is a message from Kaizer Chiefs. It says, Kaizer Chiefs have secured the services of Adolf Mtasingwa Bitegeko from Tanzanian giants Azam FC for an undisclosed fee, following successful negotiations between the two clubs. The 27-year-old defensive midfielder, who was captain at Azam, becomes the first player from Tanzania to join Amakhosi. His arrival adds an impressive list of players, 20 different African countries who have worn the famous gold and black jersey. Mtasingwa brings valuable experience, having spent 6 seasons in Scandinavia, playing in the Icelandic, Norwegian, and Finnish leagues. He returned home in 2024 to help Azam to finish third in the Tanzanian league last season. The Tanzanian international has filled the role of vice-captain for his national team. We warmly welcome Adolf to the family and wish him success in his journey with the Glamour Boys. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs confirming the signing of Adolf. Are you impressed or not with this signing? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. South African winger Elias Mukwana is closing in on his next transfer ahead of the 2026-27 campaign, with an exit from Esperance de Tunis imminent. Mukwana, who's 26 years old, spent last season on loan in the Saudi Pro League with Al Hazem, where he was a regular, scoring 1 goal and 3 assists in 26 games. After an impressive season in Tunisia, where he scored 7 goals and 4 assists in 38 games. But with the club moving into a new direction, Mukwana is set for a permanent exit. Algerian giants MC Alger and JS Kabylie have tabled official offer for Mukwana, while clubs from the UAE, Egypt, and Botola Pro League have also shown interest. It appears that Mukwana could finalize a move in the upcoming weeks as he looks to get back into top form ahead of the 2027 African Cup of Nations for the Bafana Bafana national team. The former Sekhukhune United star has earned 11 caps for Bafana Bafana and he has scored 2 goals and 2 assists. Now let me hear your thoughts. Where do you want to see Elias Mukwana playing next? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.